All right, today I'm going to demonstrate how to make a quick and easy orchid and foliage arrangement. So the first step is cutting product. Now I always cut my product, the stem of my product, just to the base of the vase. If the stem is longer than the base of the vase, the weight of the product, the head, will eventually, if not immediately, pull that product right out. So I just cut everything down. It can be a little bit shorter than the vase. My recommendation would be not to have it longer than the vase. So this one is longer than the vase, but because I don't like to do too much cutting, because it's on a wire, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take that excess that is longer than the vase and I'm going to press it really tightly together and just shorten that that stem a little bit. Okay, so as always, I am a fangirl and I'm going to start with my fan. I'm only going to be using one side of the vase. I don't usually use both sides of a vase like this. It's just easier to put all the product on one side and create the illusion that it's on both sides. And I do that by sticking this particular piece of foliage over that other hole on the other side. And now, the reason why I put this vase on top to hold this leaf on top to hold this leaf there is because that was the one that I had bent. And anytime you bend a stem, you are making it fatter or thicker. So I thought it would hold it in place better. And now I'm gonna start placing my orchids. And I'm kind of shoving. I'm shoving that in. I want that bottom bloom almost to be inside the vase to really hold it. Again, anytime you give your stem girth, it's gonna hold in place better. And so when you sort of bend that bottom bloom and stick it in, you are creating mass girth. Okay, and now I'm just gonna stick this orchid on top of that one, which is nicely locked into place. And there you have it.